waren wir da, wie heißt ist es mal Lasagne, da wo wir noch mal Kuchen essen waren und dann alle Tische.
So mag ich es auf jeden Fall.
Hi vlog, so right now I'm in Landau. It's a place on the countryside here in Germany, and I'm visiting a friend that I met in Madrid in my Erasmus semester 4 years ago. We are 5 girls and we all met in Spain, and you can see Nika there. She's just brushing her teeth, and yeah, we are staying at the parents' house of our friend. We are in the bathroom right now. Yeah, it's the second day already. We arrived yesterday and it was so nice. One of the girls, Anna, I saw her the last time in Madrid, so it was 4 years ago. And we just joked around and I was like, oh, who's that girl? Is it Emma? Yeah, but we just have a lot of stuff to catch up on, and we have so many topics that we want to talk about. And it got really hot in Germany. Yesterday we had 32 degrees, so I'm wearing this white dress right now, and also Nika's also wearing her dress. Woo! So it really feels like summer in Germany. It's breakfast time.
Ja, irgendwie war es die ganze Zeit so warm.
We are just enjoying the sun. So this is our breakfast table, and we are just sitting on the terrace enjoying the garden and the sunshine. And Lynn's grandma, she baked us a cake.
Aber waren wir vorhin welche?
Wo ist denn die? Direkt zu Hause mal gucken.
Hey there, we just got some ice cream. It's so good. I have watermelon, and what do you have? Raffaello. Raffaello.
Am Ende davon, von diesen Bäumen, ist da so was Rotes. Und genau über dem Roten ist die Burg. Wow! Wie krass ist denn deine Kamera? Was ist das für ein Handy? 20 Kilometer? Ach, hey, krass. Ach, dann ist es.
So we are back at Lynn's house now, and we are having dinner right now, and it all looks so beautiful. We just had dinner and now the girls are going to the supermarket to get some food for breakfast tomorrow morning. I have some work to do. I got my laptop with me to Landau, so I have to be a bit productive right now and also do something for my university campus magazine. And I'm going to sit in front of my computer and just finish some work right now. Hi vlog! We are on a little hiking adventure right now in the forest and it's so beautiful! Und dann haben die und es gab nichts zu spülen, also nur die
51.
Dankeschön!
Achso, ich wollte auch eigentlich mal
Oh. We are on the way home now. We're having a midnight snack. Bless you. So we are going to bed now. Good night. Good night, vlog. Good night. Bye bye. Good night. Hey guys, so it's the last morning. My eyes look so puffy, but I just went into the forest nearby and it's so beautiful. I'm just so fulfilled by the nature and the sounds of the birds chirping. Guys, this is real life dopamine, what I'm feeling. Just by nature and just by being aware. Goodbye! Bye bye! Aw.